Okay, so in this video, I will exactly show you that what are the solo ads and how to do the solo advertising. Basically, solo advertising is one of my favorite traffic method that I use on the my portfolio of websites. So I will exactly show you that how you can also do the run the solo ads for your website and bring the results, bring the quality traffic in the results. So first of all, if you don't know anything about solo ads, then let me tell you that what is the solo ads. So a solo ad is one-time email blast you buy from a vendor that has created a list of people they have collected. So put it simply, some internet marketers will accept payments in exchange for sending an email you have written to their mailing list. So what basically solo advertising is basically the advertising in the other people's email list. So this is why this is so powerful method of bringing the traffic. That is because see, if somebody has already built their own list, then they must have built a positive relationship with their email list. So when they suggest, they send your advertising as in their email list, then chances of conversion are very high. So suppose if I have built the email list of say for example 3000 people in the say for example internet marketing niche, and if you have the internet marketing offer and then I recommend that offer, I mean running the solo ad to my email list, then my email list personally trusts me and follows whatever I suggest them. So chances of conversion are also high. So that is the reason why we do solo advertising. But the problem in this industry is that not the all the email lists are created equal. I mean, so what you need to do is you need to ask a certain question to the solo ad provider. I mean the email list owner, and that I will show you that what you have to ask or what you have to check. So these are the questions to ask to the solo ads provider. So first is that you need to ask that majority of their email list is built from which country people. So you need to make sure that the list of the your solo ad provider is your solo ad that you are buying is made up of a top tier list. That is the people coming from the countries like USA, UK, Canada, Australia, and New Zealand. So this is what is known as top tier list. So if some solo ad provider has the email list in which majority of people coming from China, Russia, Ukraine, low tier countries, then it is not worth it because it is believed that in these countries, these top tier countries, the people have good online spending capacity plus they have their own PayPal account, their own credit card through which they can make the payment online. So that is considered as a good traffic. Okay. So then second question you should ask to when you are going to buy the solo ad is how they have built their list and how many leads they had daily. So what you need to check that whether if see suppose if someone is a blogger and he is blogging on a yoga or weight loss niche. Okay, so then you need to and over the time if they have built the email list, then it is a good email list because what happens is over the time people have opted into their email list. Okay, and over the time they have opted into their email list and the list owner has built the positive relationship with that list. So this kind of list is known as a good list. Okay, so then you need to ask that is it bias list? So whether these people are buying the products and stuff the owner of the list is promoting or not. The next question you should ask is how often they send the solo ads to their list. So see some list solo ad providers daily send promotional offers to their list. So their list responsiveness becomes very low. So when they will blast your advertising in their email list, what will happen is they will not respond very well. So ideally, many solo ad provider only send one just one solo ad per day, or maybe just one or two solo ads per week. So that is how you need to ask that how often they send solo ads to that list. So if they are not sending very often, then it's a good list. Chances are that the people from their email list will buy your product. Okay. Then you need to ask this question. This is very important question. that whether they have bought this list or built it from the scratch. So the problem is that if they have bought this email list, then definitely you don't want to run your advertising in their list, because see, nowadays there are a lot of fake vendors are available online, and they are selling the very low quality of email list and everything to the people. So we don't want to run our advertising in such kind of things, but we definitely want to run our solo ad into the email list, that email list which is built from the scratch. Say for example from the blog, or maybe from the paid traffic, or whatever it is. Then the single opt-in or double opt-in. So this is the type of autoresponder, means whenever you must have observed that when you opt in into someone else's email list, so many email list provider ask you to confirm via email. That is known as double opt-in. And single opt-in is they don't ask you to confirm via email. So double opt-in email list is always better. However, still you can go for the single opt-in, but still if you find a double opt-in list, then that's the best. Then second thing you should ask is what is the niche the list have built. So see, if you are selling the weight loss product, or maybe the yoga or health related product, so if your website is related to those niches, then what happens is, if you blast your solo ad into the email list that is related to internet marketing niche, so it won't make you good results. No, that is very logical, because what the problem is that if you show your weight loss product to the people who are actually looking for the make money online offers, then basically what happens is uh, your ROI on your advertising dollars will be reduced. So you need to ask that what niche is this. So these are the some basic questions to ask to the solo ads provider. So now next thing is that how to find the solo ads providers. So this is very important slide. So see, you just start understanding very deeply from this. So one method is a udemy.com. So I will show you that how to find solo advertising with the udemy.com. Then second is the Google search method. So you can search for the buy solo ads or solo ads providers, and you can search the find the good solo ad providers from the Google search. And the third is search the similar niche blog owners. Say for example, if you are owning the list building site or email marketing site, or weight loss, yoga, dog training, golf. So you just have to find those niche blog owners and see whether they have built their email list or not. And then you should ask them whether they are willing for the solo advertising or not. So first let me start from the udemy.com. This is very important method to find the solo advertising. So see, udemy.com, what is udemy.com? Let me tell you that. So udemy.com is basically the platform of the solo ad providers and the advertisers and the public advertisers like us. So when you are searching for the solo advertising, you are the advertiser. I mean, we are the advertiser. So Udemy is basically the marketplace where you will find all kind of solo ad providers. So you just have to choose the solo ad providers, and this is a very excellent platform to find the solo ads. Okay. So what you need to do is, if you are not registered, then you just register for free here. You just click here and you can register for free. See here. Okay. So now I am just showing you from one of my solo ad accounts. So you can see that. So once you have a password, you just use your email name and password and log in into the udemy.com site. Okay, so we have now successfully entered into the login into the udemy.com site. So now our first goal is that we need to find the solo ads. Okay, so see, these are the two options: solo deals and find sellers. So what you need to do is just first click the find sellers. So see, these are the tons of solo ad providers who are basically selling the solo ads. Okay, so you will find this. So you can just click on any of them. Now this is the solo deals. Okay, so you just click here. Here you will find the really good solo ad providers. So see, you just have to click a few of them. See, this has put the 14 orders, 61 orders, 565 orders. So I think, see, if they have put this many people have put their orders, this means that there is something good about it. So let us open these two things. Then you can see if this is as a three orders people has paid, and this has 515 orders placed. Then obviously you want to see these also. Okay, so here you will find the tons of solo ad providers on the Udemy marketplace, and as you scroll down you will find tons and tons of more. So you open whatever you find good, you just open. Okay, see, so now let us see that what these solo ad providers offer basically. So see, this solo ad provider has put that picture, and what he is claiming that 85% from the United States. So this is obviously a good list. Okay, then see what he says: fresh leads added daily. This is a good thing. This is a bias lead, 100% the tier 1 premium solo ad clicks, and high quality 25 to 1000 clicks available. Very responsive leads. So see, this is what we actually want actually. This is what we are looking for any solo advertising. So this seems a good solo ad provider. Now if you go down, see you can see the reviews also. See reviews from the other seller or other buyers. So this is very important. Okay. So you can see that. See all the people have liked this solo ad provider. So you can choose to go for this. So suppose if you decide to run your solo ad in his email address, then what you need to do is you just go here and see here is a date available. So from this date, suppose 26 August, that is tomorrow. Today is 25th. So see how much is available. 450 visitors, I mean 450 clicks is available. And here you can see that how much is targeting 60 cents per visitor. So this is a roughly good amount for the top tier country. This is a good, fairly good price. So say for example, we don't want to run our ad where somebody else has run this ad. So say for example, after 5 or 10 days, see now it is max. So say for example, we want to run our solo ad on the 5th September. So 5th September, and see this is the 50 visitors, that is 50 clicks. Now, so say for example, we can drag this 100 visitors. Ideally, I usually spend money for the 100 visitors. So what he is asking, you can also do for the 50, no problem. He is asking for the $63. So we can do this. I mean, what we have to do is we have to run 100 visitors and then check that whether how much response we get after spending this much of money on the particular email list. If you find a good response, later on you can increase your visitors amount and increase your advertising budget. But initially you can start from just 50 visitors or maybe 100 visitors. Okay, so see on the 5th September we are buying 100 visitors, and then here in the ad subject line you can write down something amazing. I will show you that how to write it. This is what is known as a email swipe or solo ad swipe. So I will show you that how to write this. So here just for the sake of wow, amazing opportunity. Okay, and here you can write down see. So you can write your ad copy. You can just click here, select it, and put your URL. Here whatever is your website URL, you click save. And then here also you can write something and then thank you. So see here you have created your advertising, solo advertising for running on the 5th September for 100 clicks, that is 100 visitors, and your total budget is $63. So what you can do is you can just click and add it to the cart. Okay, see So see, now if you go here, then what, see, here will be the icon for the car. So when you will click here, see, this is in the pending. So if you want to pay it and run your solo ad, then you just have to click the PayPal. So it will redirect it to the PayPal page, and there you can pay the money, and then your solo ad will be scheduled. See, here you are paying to the Udemy, okay? Or maybe you can just simply pay via the card. So this is as simple. This is very simple thing to buy solo advertising from the udemy.com. See, here you can just fill your credit card details and then process. So you can pay. Now you can also put multiple orders if you want to do split testing. Then also you can do the different things. See, this is let us see the other solo ad provider. So see what he is saying, special offer 80% or more top tier content. This is a good thing. Buyers list, new buyers list, subscribers added daily. This is what we want. See, these are the attributes. Add buyers every day and very responsive list. This is what the seller is claiming. Now, if you see that, see, today is 25th August and this seller's next solo ad is available since 8th September. So this means that this is really a demand list. This is really in demand list. Okay. So if you want to run solo ad, then the next date is from 8th September, then 9th September. So this means, say for example, we want to run it from 10th September. Now let us just scroll down. Here also, if you want to ask something, then you can ask something to the by clicking the send button to here, and the seller will, the solo ad provider will answer. And you can see here that here are the positive feedbacks of the other people. Now here you can see that how much he is charging. See, he is charging just 39 cents per visit, which is much, much affordable price than the previous one. So if for the 100 clicks, the price is only total $42. While here for 100 clicks, you are paying actually $63. However, still we need to do the split testing. Suppose if after running this ad, it will give you good response in your revenue from the site, then you should definitely spend higher money and go for this. But after running these two ads, so let us write down that urgent great offer, and here you can write down your so here whatever you can write here that is relevant to your niche. Okay. You can write the whatever at least 100 500 words, whatever you want to write. You can write the good and relevant things and then click add to cart, and this is it. This is scheduled for the 10th September. So see, these two are now in your cart. You can see this. So this is how you have to add solo ads into this. So this is the very effective way of doing the marketing for your website. I mean, you are basically marketing your brand into someone else's list. Now see, this is the third seller. This is William McRian. So what he is saying, high opt-in rate. See, this is his notice. Please read, I only promote opt-in forms, not sales pages or register forms. I will reject any request to promote something other than a single opt-in form. So see, let me tell you that, see, this is if for our sites, this is not for us. I mean, is this may be really good and people may have given in very positive response, but unless we have a squeeze page or the opt-in page, we don't want to run this kind of ad. My majority of sites are not the such type of sites. Actually, I also own the sales funnel kind of site. So if you don't know what is the opt-in form, then see, let me tell you that such kind of one of my site. See, this is the opt-in form site where there is only a squeeze page. I mean, there may be a video or the sales letter, and at the end, if you can see that, then there is only, see, this is the squeeze part, this is the opt-in page. So username and name and email address. So and this is known as the opt-in form. So this is the opt-in page. So this is one of my sites. So if I want to run solo ad for this site, then what this is what the seller says, then he will accept. But suppose if I want to run it on my other site that doesn't, which is not the opt-in form, maybe it's a WordPress blog, then this seller won't accept this. So this is not for me. Okay. So and also not for you if you are not owning the opt-in form. I mean like squeeze page like site. Now this is the fourth seller. She is a Nicole. Order up to 100 clicks and 93 plus percent plus clicks are USA clicks with buyers list. Make money online, health and fitness niche. So this seller is basically says that 99% of our traffic email list is from the top tier countries, 92% plus from the USA, and she charges only 30 cents per click. So and she also claims that the fresh new subscribers are added daily. So this is really a good thing. And see what she is saying that see this is very specific. See this is what we want. See what she says, IM solo ads will be sent to IM niche and so on. Please don't request IM solo ads to be sent to weight loss niche. So this is the indirect evidence. That is what we want. Here I have told you that which niche is that. See, I have told you that which is the niche, and she perfectly suits into this. So see what she is saying that I can send solo ads to the following niche list, that is internet marketing, make money online from home, start a business, lose weight, get fit, stop currency trading, and joint venture affiliate networking. So she is very specific about this, and she knows the importance of which things you should send to. I mean, which kind of advertising send to which kind of email list, and she specifically has this different type of segmenting or type of list. So see, you can also see her the positive reviews or feedback here. So this is a must go, and the price is also really great. So see, from the tomorrow that is the 26th August 2016, you can see that maximum is only. So somebody else has already booked probably. So I think we don't want to run on those days. So 30 August, from the 2nd September you can see that, see from the 30 August, 1st of September she is not running the ads. So this also shows that she is very punctual about her email list. I mean, she doesn't blast email list every day into her list. And along with that, you can see the positive feedback. So definitely we can order 100 clicks for her, or maybe 200 clicks, or 150 clicks to his email list, because we definitely want to try this. Okay, so we can write this subject line here. Depending on your niche, you can write here. So this is the advantage of Udemy actually, that you can find lots of sellers actually, solo ad providers, and you can specifically do your due diligence and go for the sellers you like. So you just click and add to cart. So these ads will be run on the 2nd September. Now see, if we go to, again let us go here. If you see, this is your cart page. So you just click here. If you see that, see these 3 ads we have selected. Now probably this one is the base. She is base. This is the middle, and this is very costly. So I think we can remove this at the moment. We can remove this, and we can only pay for these two. And let us do the split test for these two. That how much response we will get. So see, the total amount is $78 that we can pay via PayPal or the card. Okay, so this is how it solo advertising works. Now here also you can do the, see this is the swipes. So swipe is obviously the email solo ad copy. So you can also create the new swipe in advance also. And I will also show you that how to create that swipe. So see, this is how you can write the good swipes. So the basic thing in the email marketing, solo advertising is that you must have the attention grabbing headline. Because you see, when every day you, me and everybody else in the world receiving dozens and hundreds of emails. So if your headline is not attention grabbing, then you are gone actually. So people will not, your email open rate will be less. So that means less revenue. And second thing I suggest is to provide value. So in your email copy or in the advertising, what you need to do is you need to provide value, that is speech and pitch. You cannot just you should not ideally just offer your product. So see, let me show you that which are the best email subject lines for higher open rates. So what you need to do is simply you just go to Google and search for the best email subject lines and just click here. So see, you will see lots of websites that will claim that they can teach you actually how to write the successful, subject lines. So you just click one of them and you can learn from them very fast. So here I don't want to spend our time on those things. Okay. So you can see that. See, they are also offering the PDF now the download. So you can see this. See, this is the self-interest, curiosity. So these are the various types of headlines you can create for a solo advertising. So you can find anything on the Google. Okay. So you can just choose any of the site and just see which kind of headline you can write. Okay. So and then you can create your new ad swipe and save it here. And or maybe you can while finding the solo ad providers you can click here. So this is how you can find the solo ad deals, good solo ad providers from the Udemy. Believe me, nowadays 95 more than 95% of my ad campaigns for all of my portfolio sites are from the Udemy only. I tell you. Okay. So you just see this. You can find lots of good solo ad providers on the Udemy also. Okay, so Udemy is just the one method, method of finding the solo ad providers. And as I told you that nowadays for more than 95% of my solo advertising for all of my portfolio sites, I find the solo advertisers from the udemy.com. However, you can see Google is literally big search engine, and you can also find a good solo ad providers from the direct Google search also. Okay, so let me show you that how you can do that. So you just have to go to the google.com website, and here, as I have shown here, you just have to find the type the keywords buy solo ads or solo ads providers. So say for example we are solo ads providers. Click enter. So the Google itself will give you the details about lots of other solo advertising websites. So you can see that. So you can go to these websites and then see that whether it is good for you. But see, remember that when you do that, don't do this unless you are very expert or have some gain some experience from this Udemy platform. See this because see what happens is there are a lot of chances of scamming the solo advertising. So you should not do it. So far, if you ask me, you have never done the solo advertising. Then my first advice to you is you start so your first solo ads, first few solo ads from the udemy.com. I mean, then later on you try other networks like this because you can really literally burn your money in other advertising networks. Now, the third option is search the similar niche blog owners and ask for solo ads. So what happens is many bloggers have a good email list, but they don't have never listed on the Udemy platform or any such kind of platform. So what you need to do is you need to find these bloggers. So say for example, see you are selling some make money online products. So make money online blog. Okay, so you just type make money online blog, or you can type weight loss blog, or maybe you can find write dog training blogs or blogs. Okay, so you see here you are finding the make money online blogs. So let us see here that let us check one of the blogs here. So let's see. See, this is a make money online blog. So just let us go here. This blog is a johnchow.com. So let us see that what is whether he is offering solo ads or I mean the advertising into his list or not. Okay, so this is John Chow blog, and okay, so this is the blog area. Okay, see this is he has already given the advertise option. First of all, let us see that whether he is building email list or not. See, he is running the advertising. Let us go directly go to the advertise section. So see here find one make money online blogger, and he is telling his states here advertising states. Okay, here there is not written anything, but you can see that see he is building his list. See, he is asking to build his list, and he is also offering his free book. See, so basically he is building his own list. So what you can do is, if you are offering some make money online product, and here see you can also see the somebody else has also did the advertising on his site. So basically he is selling the advertising. So what you can do is contact him from this site and see this is the opting way. So he is building his list, and so what you can do is you can just contact him via email and ask him that whether it is whether you can do run the solo advertising in his email list, and if yes, then how much he will charge and what are the demographics means. Whether it is a top tier list or not, whether he is willing to put our ad or not, or something like that. So this is how you have to find the new blogs or new websites which have a list from. So see, these not the all people who have list are listed on the UDP. Okay, so you can definitely there is a scope. You can also search for the weight loss blogs, and you will find the lots of weight loss blogs also. Okay, so this site also directly gives you the most 100 influential inspirational weight loss bloggers. So what you can do is you can directly take this list and check these sites one by one if you are owning the weight loss product or a weight loss related site. So you can directly straight away ask these people that whether they will be willing to run your solo advertising in their email list, or and for how much price they will charge this. Okay, so you can definitely do this. Okay, right now this is not opening here, but so you must have understand that what I am telling you that. So one of the sure way of finding the solo advertising is udemy.com. Second is find the solo advertisers directly from the Google search, and third is the find the similar niche blogs in the same niche your website is. Say for example, weight loss, make money online dog training, and ask them for the solo ads whether they want to they would like to run your advertising solo advertising in their email list or not, and how much will be the price. So you can definitely negotiate the price with them. You can please send them email, correspond them via Skype, and do whatever you want to do. Okay, so this is how the solo ads work. If you have any doubts, then you can definitely contact me anytime on my Skype ID or on my personal email address, and I will show you that I will exactly solve all your doubts. Okay, thank you.